explain your lesson number 9 of the grammar book, and the name of the chapter is adjective degree of comparison. Look here there are 3 types of the degrees. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. But how we will differentiate it, what is positive, what is comparative, and what is superlative degree, I will explain it with the help of one example. Look here, there is given the picture of there is given the picture of the boys. Okay, this is positive, this is comparative, and this is superlative degree. Now what is positive degree? When an adjective or adverb does not compare anything, it means when there is not given any comparison, जब कोई comparison किया ही नहीं जाता किसी भी चीज़ का, simple sentence होता है, that is called positive degree. But when we do the comparison, okay, of two persons, okay, or more than person, okay, but when we compare one person, okay, to one or more than person, that is called comparative degree. But when noun or pronoun is compared to more than one nouns or pronouns, that is called superlative degree. Okay, now I will explain it with the help of this example. Look here, here is given the word smart. This is positive degree, smarter is comparative degree, and smartest is superlative degree. I will explain it with the help of this example. Suppose the name of this boy is Rohit, and I will write down the sentence. Rohit is smart. Rohit is smart. Okay, this is positive degree. Why? Because this is a simple sentence and there is given no comparison. That's why this is positive degree. Now come to the comparative degree. Comparative degree, it means when two or more nouns or pronouns are compared to one another. Okay, that is called comparative. It means when there is given comparison. The name of this boy is Rohit, and suppose the name of this boy is Mohit. So when I will write Rohit is smarter than Mohit. Look here, smarter, this word is comparative degree. Okay, why? Because in this sentence I have done the comparison of two boys. दो लड़कों का मैंने कंपैरिजन किया है ना कि रोहित जो है वो मोहित से ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है. एंड ई आर, ओके, आई हैव यूज्ड ई आर विद इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, स्मार्टर. And always when there is given then word, okay, THAN, then is used always for comparison. Okay, when you will see the then word in the sentence, you will observe that this is the comparative degree. Okay, with the help of the word of then. And when there is given the comparison of two things or two persons. Okay, now come to the superlative degree. Superlative degree, superlative degree means when one noun or pronoun is compared to more than one noun or pronouns. Okay, that is called superlative degree. The name of this boy is Rohit. When I will write, and the what is the superlative degree? Smartest. When I will write down Rohit is the smartest of all boys. Okay, Rohit is the smartest of all boys. यानी सभी लड़कों में अगर रोहित सबसे ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है, तो हमने रोहित का जो कंपैरिजन है वो क्या किया है, सभी से किया है, मोर देन टू. ओके, मोर देन टू. तो क्या है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड superlative degree. EST, I have used here EST. Always pay attention before the superlative degree there is given the article always. Okay, as I have already told you in your chapter of the article, with the superlative degree we always use the article. When you will see before the fill-up the, you will observe that you have to fill here superlative degree. There is comparison of Rohit with all boys. Okay, this is superlative degree. Come to the next. There is given one more degree of good. What is different from others? Good, better, best. This is positive. This is positive. This is comparative, and this is superlative. It means when I will say Rohit is a good boy, that is positive. When I will say Rohit is better than Mohit, that is comparative. When I will say Rohit is the best boy in the class, okay, that is superlative degree. Here is given one more example. Look here. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. Okay, this Amar is a tall boy. Amar is a tall boy. Okay, tall. What is tall? Tall is positive degree, because there is not given any comparison. Okay, that's why this is positive degree. Now second one is comparative degree. How? Suppose the name of the boy is Ravi. Then I will say Ravi is taller than Amar. Okay, so taller is comparative degree. And then I have already told you कि जब भी then word को आप देखें आप इससे आइडिया लगा लें, this is comparative degree. Okay, it means जो ये बीच वाला मिड में जो लड़का है वो इस लड़के से टॉल है, कंपैरिजन है between the two boys, that is called comparative degree. Now move to the last one is अजय. ओके, अजय. अब अगर हम सेंटेंस के बोलें कि अजय इज़ द टॉलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल बॉयज़. अजय इज़ द tallest of all boys. Okay, then tallest is superlative degree, and I have used the article before it. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. Here is given the picture. Look here. Degree of comparison you have to make in your notebook also. Like this, you have to decorate also. This is the example of positive degree. Shiva is a good dancer. Is there any comparison? No. कोई comparison है? No. So this is positive degree. Comparative degree. Bible is bigger than पंचतंत्रा. जो बाइबल की जो बुक है वो पंचतंत्रा से बड़ी है. तो क्या है ये? कंपैरिजन है. दैट्स वाई वी विल कॉल इट कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. नाउ लुक एट द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. चार्ली चैपलिन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमेडियन. I have used the article here. Okay, and because this is superlative degree. Okay, so you can observe with the article, this is superlative degree. चार्लिन चैपलिन जो है सभी कॉमेडियन में से सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट है. I have done the comparison of Charlie Chaplin to all comedians. So that's why this is superlative degree. Okay. Now here are given some degrees. So you have to write down in your notebook. Similarly, this is positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. write down like this, beautiful. I am going to tell you one more thing. Beautiful, I have used here more beautiful and most beautiful. Why? What is the reason? Look here in this sentence. Confused, more confused, the most confused. Difficult, okay, more most. Famous, fascinating. Okay, why I have used here more and most? Listen carefully. Okay, beautiful, I have used here more than 2 syllables. मोर देन 2 साइलेबल मीन जब आप इसको बोलते हैं, आपको इसको प्रोनाउंसिएट करने के लिए आप इसको ब्यू, देखो सुनो ध्यान से, ब्यू फर्स्ट, टी सेकंड एंड फुल 3, यानी मैंने इसको 3 टुकड़ों में बांट कर बोला है, ब्यूटीफुल। जिसको 2 से ज़्यादा बोलने में टाइम लगता है, 2 बार से 2 साइलेबल से ज़्यादा, उसमें मोर और मोस्ट का यूज़ होता है, जैसे कि कन्फ्यूज्ड। ओके, 2 हो या मोर देन 2 हो, आपको मोर मोस्ट का यूज़ करना है। डिफ़िकल्ट, ओके, फैसिनेटिंग, फेमस। 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा साइलेबल्स का यूज़ होगा, वहाँ पर मोर मोस्ट का यूज़ होगा। जैसे कि बिग वर्ड दिया हुआ है, लिसन अटेंटिवली। बिग वर्ड में आपका क्या होगा, आपने यहाँ पर डबल जी क्यों किया है, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? लिसन अटेंटिवली, जो लास्ट का वर्ड है जी, ये जो मैं आपको फॉर्मूला बता रही हूँ, ये 3 और 4 साइलेबल में ही यूज़ होता है। 3 वर्ड्स दिए हों या 4, देखो बिग में 3 अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं ना, बी और आई और जी। अगर लास्ट वाला जो वर्ड है वो कॉन्सोनेंट हो और कॉन्सोनेंट से पहले का जो वर्ड है वो वोवल हो, जैसे कि आई इज़ वोवल, तो लास्ट वाला जो वर्ड है, इट मीन्स जो जी है वो नेट यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर डबल हो जाएगा। बिगर एंड बिगेस्ट में देखो डबल जी का यूज़ हुआ है, बिगेस्ट में भी। ओके, आई एम टेलिंग कि ये 3 या 4 वर्ड्स में ही अप्लाई होता है, नॉट मोर देन 3 और 4 वर्ड्स। ओके, जैसे कि फैट वर्ड होता है, FAT, फैट। लुक हेयर, FATT is a consonant and before consonant A is a vowel. That's why I have used double T and double T here both. Okay, other than you will use old, older, oldest, EREST, ER in comparative and EST in superlative degree. So write all these degrees in your notebook and revise it also. Thank you. Have a nice day.